I just cannot believe they are literally exactly the same shoe. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have got such an exciting video for you guys today. These are gonna change your life. So I am the hugest Comme des Garcons Converse fan like ever. Today's video, I have found the best Converse shoe ever that is kind of like a dupe for the Comme des Garcons Converse shoe. I will never probably buy a normal standard Converse again. So this Converse is the Converse Low Chuck 70. I'm so excited. So I've just realised I didn't even clock until now, and I've had these sitting in my room for a while, that they didn't give me a normal Converse box. They just gave me this brown box. And maybe that is because they are from ASOS, I don't know, but I don't even really care, to be honest, because it is more about this shoe. Here they are. Now they might just, like, you might be thinking this girl is crazy, but let me show you up close. These are not any normal standard Converse, okay? And we're gonna go into the details of why they are not. I do also have a Comme des Garcons here as well to help you guys, so you can see the difference, or should I say the similarities between the shoe. Now, first of all, we're just gonna discuss like the elephant in the room. Obviously there is no love heart on this shoe because it is not a Comme des Garcons shoe. Okay, now I understand that is probably, it literally is like the main thing of this shoe. But one thing I do love about the Comme des Garcons is the quality and the materials and the style of the shoe, apart from this love heart. And to be fair, the love heart is only on one side as well. So, I mean, from this side, they are literally exactly the same. So this Converse is basically the Converse that they use, obviously minus the love heart, and that is why I love it. So as I say, we have this absolutely thick, chunky sole. And the rubber as well is so much thicker than a normal standard Converse. And around kind of near the toe cap as well, we have this extra layer of rubber as well. Again, exactly the same as the Comme des Garcons, which is an amazing feature. And again, one of the reasons why I love it is because of the durability of the shoe is so much better than a standard Converse. We have this black line here of rubber which goes all the way around and on the toe cap, but I actually really like that for this shoe. I have exactly the same logo. Obviously this is in black and this is in white. The upper material is exactly the same as well. Even the stitching is exactly the same, so as you can see, literally exactly the same. Obviously these are both different to a normal Converse, and then you've got the eyelets round the other side. From this side you literally wouldn't be able to notice, apart from obviously the black rubber line which runs through the sole. It has the thick same material laces as the Comme des Garcons, which is so nice because I feel like these just look so much more premium and they're a lot thicker, a lot better quality. In terms of the tongue as well, literally exactly the same tongue, as you can see. Same detail with stitching as well, which is really nice. And then we go to the insole, which is this is literally perfect. I can actually take this out and you can see how thick this insole actually is. So obviously with a normal Converse, you literally have just this part and you don't have this padding here. In terms of the soles as well, literally exactly the same. Exactly the same. Even the stitching at the back, you have this layer of material on both shoes. Obviously the Comme des Garcons is in white, so it does look a bit different, but the stitching is exactly the same. I just cannot believe that I have found this shoe. So now comes to probably the most important part of this whole entire video, is the pricing. So as we know, the Comme des Garcons come in at £130. And these come in at £70, so it's nearly half price. The good thing about these is I picked these off ASOS, so I was able to get a discount code, so I think I ended up buying them for about £60, which is literally so much cheaper than the Comme des Garcons, and they are exactly the same shoe. Obviously minus the love heart, but everything else is exactly the same. For me, I will never buy normal Converse. I will literally buy these. Sizing wise, they come up true to size, exactly true to size, just like normal standard Converse if you do have a pair. I find that they fit exactly the same as the Comme des Garcons. In terms of comfortability, obviously because we have the thick sole, the thick insole, they are super comfy. Normal standard Converse are not comfy whatsoever. Honestly, I've picked up a lot of shoes shoes this year, but this shoe has got me excited more than some of my other more like exclusive shoes. Anyone is watching this, I would 100% recommend getting these shoes. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am about these shoes. If you did enjoy today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.